This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sarah Palmer. Come see this charming turnkey home in Orlando. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, bonus room, office/4th bedroom, laundry room, and lanai with pool. All of this with the added bonus of no HOA. This house has so many upgrades it will surprise you as soon as you walk in the screened-in front porch. Coming through the front door you will enter into the living room. To the right is 2 bedrooms and full bathroom, as well as the master bedroom with ensuite bathroom including a large walk-in shower. Past the living room is the completely updated kitchen with new stainless steel appliances, 2020, and new countertops and cupboards, 2020. Not included in the square footage of the home is a large bonus room, dining room, inside laundry room and office/4th bedroom. All this extra space as well as a 1-car garage. To top it all off, this home has a large pool and covered screened-in lanai. New pool pump and pump house, 2022. New roof, 6/2021, new septic, 2020, new HVAC, 3/2023. Move right in and call this home yours. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Palmer at 407-588-1800.